Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make money online. Yeah, money online in Ghana. Today there's a site called Influence and Influence and yeah, they are doing all these things. So and it's really cool. It's really cool. You just sign up, then get $25 just like that. $25. And when you refer a person, you get uh, $2 for just the person clicking the link, and get $10 for just the person signing up. You see, and it's very good. It's very good. So let's start. I'll show you. First you open your browser, then you go to Chrome. Influencer. They said influence and earn money by referring friends. Say invite your friend to our site by sharing your link. You see, you get $10. You can easily cash out some money. Yes, $50 per YouTube video, Instagram post, $10 per survey every. Let's see, it's good. Yeah, we are going to you. We have to sign up first, but I've already signed up, so I'm just going to log in. Have you guys seen? I've earned $133. Yeah, see, there's a task. Refer a friend and $10. Gets clicks and $2. Complete surveys and $30. Create YouTube videos. Yeah, and you go here. Then you come here. Task and here. You see, when you come here, then you download the apps. You just download the apps and use it for 30 seconds to 1 minute. If you finish and you like to uninstall it, you can do it. It's a very very good website, and um, I'm sharing it to you guys, so you guys just have to, yeah, you guys have to sign up. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, and press the notification bell. I'll leave the link in the descriptions in the description below. Make sure that you guys click the link so that we start making money. Bye bye.